I'm now going to give the floor to Nariman Jalal, who is a Crimean Tatar journalist and activist. He was also deputy chairman of the Mejlis of the Crimean Tatar people and was sentenced, I believe, to 17 years in prison in 2022.
Today, no Ukrainian citizen in Crimea can feel safe and be sure that he will be able to protect his rights and freedoms, his life, if necessary. Residents of Crimea are forced to live in an atmosphere of fear, a crisis to trust in each other, and are forced to take actions against their will under pressure from the occupation authority. I can list hundreds of violations of international humanitarian law that Russia is committing in the occupied territories now. You know about them yourself. I'm sure that you understand that such a situation cannot be left without the attention of the international community. But without real mechanisms for holding a country accountable, the implementation of international humanitarian law is impossible. You understand, the Ukraine and the Crimean Tatars need your support. They want to live freely and safely. Let's support the Ukraine. Thank you for your attention.